Hello everyone, Ahmad from NTOP here. Today I'm going to talk about SQL NULL values. In the previous video, we talked about SQL select statement and retrieving data using SQL select statement. Please follow all my upcoming videos, so please subscribe my channel and enable the notification by pressing the bell button. Inshallah, I will get you to the DBA skills step by step. So let's get started. Defining a null values. Null is a value that is unavailable, unassigned, unknown, or inapplicable. Null is not the same as zero or a blank, so you cannot tell the null is zero or you cannot see a null can be a blank. So let's see here. Select last name, job ID, salary, commission percentage from employees. So let's run this query quickly. Information. As you can see, the salary is 24,000. The commission percentage is not. So, so here for this person, it is the commission percentage is 0.15. So here, the null value, you cannot say this is like a zero commission percentage or blank. So that is null. It means unassigned, unknown, unapplicable. Null values in arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression containing a null value evaluate to null. For example, here select last name 12 multiply by salary multiply to commission percentage from employees. What does it mean? If the commission percentage of an employee is null, so everything will be null here. So it means like a null value evaluated to a null. If the commission percentage is not null, then we will have the output. So null multiplied by everything can be null. Let's see this example. Here you go. This is because the commission percentage of King is null, so his salary multiplied by 12, so everything will be null. So I told you in arithmetic, everything you multiply with the null can be null. The output can be null. So here, if the commission percentage is not null, then you will have the output. Defining a column alias. What does it mean, the alias? A column alias, rename a column heading. So alias, it means like in a table, let's say you have a department name, but you don't want it like in the report to show as a department name. So you can say as a name. So that's the kind of like renaming a column is useful with calculation. Immediately follow a column name. There can also be optional as keyword between the column name and the alias. So with the alias, make sure that you should use AS. Require double quotation marks if it contains space or special characters if it is case sensitive. Using column aliases, select last name as name. For example, the column name is last name, but I don't want to show a last name in the report. So I want to show in the report the last name as name. So I can convert it using alias to name. Commission percentage. So I don't want to show all the commission percentage in my report. So just like the abbreviation com. So that's the alias from employees. So let's see the example. Here you go. So here the last name in the report shows as name. as name here. You can see the column is name. But if I don't use the alias, so what happens? So the report it shows will exactly display the last name, and here you can see last name is last name. But if I use alias as name, then what happened? So in the report, it shows name. And the commission percentage, it shows commission percentage, but if I want to change, I should use alias to com, let's say. As you can see, I have changed it to com here. So this is the usage of alias. Concatenation operator. A concatenation operator links columns or character string to other columns, is represented by two vertical bar. Create a resultant column that is a character expression. So here's, let's say, select last name, job ID as employees. For example, you want to display last name and the job ID together, but that should be reported or displayed as employees. So let's see this example. As you can see, Abil is a name. SR, a cell representative is his job ID, but both of them could be shown as employees here. As you can see on the top, it's employees. But what happens if I don't use concatenation? So let's say select last name and comma job ID, and I don't want to use concatenation from employees. So both of them are displayed separately. Last name separate, job ID separate. But I want if you wanna concatenate or join both of them, so then you should use the concatenation with two vertical bar. So here, what happened if I use concatenation? So I merge or join last name and job ID together. So that's why we can use a concatenation. Literal character string. A literal is a character, a number, or a date. Okay. Using literal character strings. Select last name, concatenate is a job ID as implies details from employees. So let's say if I use a literal character, literal like single quotation, and between that you can add a sentence, whatever sentence you want. Let's see the example. Oh, I have used to. Here you go. A bill is a cell representative, and Atikan is St. Clark. You can change the sentence like possession is possession is. Let's run this. Abil, his position is cell representative. His or her, maybe some employees or female. So Abil, his or her position is cell representative. Andy, his or her position is cell representative. Astin, his or her position is cell representative. So this is the usage of literal character. You just concatenate, use the concatenate, and then single quotation. In between single quotation, whatever sentence you like, you can add between the last name and job ID. So this is the usage of literal character.